You already know what it is. It's Moves with Muggsy, and I've got another move for you guys. This one is created by myself. It's called Catch the Vibe. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna have a nice shoulder width apart base with your feet, knees bent, and then you're gonna take your hand. Your hand is gonna be in a fist. So you're gonna come forward like this. And once you pop your elbow like this, opens up your hand. So your hand's open like that. Cool? So it's like pop, your hand comes open. Next thing is just gonna sprinkle back towards you. Sprinkle back towards you. Alright, so we're gonna go sprinkle back towards you, and then you catch, drop, boom, catch, drop, boom, catch, drop. Alright, so that's just the basic. Then we can add our feet so we can walk with it and drop. There we go. And drop. And drop. So catch your vibe. Very simple, very smooth. Do what you want with the secret. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to do some music and I'll show you a few variations.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Say she all about the G. Me. G. My girl, you know you think fat, so me keep loving that. Beat the pussy up, make it keep coming back. I love how you're flexible like a acrobat. When you rest the bandit and me watch your body clap. Say she all about the G, not another one. All when me fool like girl like Solomon. She asks me, where me girl gone? Listen when me answer the girl question. She says she have a man, me have a girl too. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too. That's you. Say she have a man, me have a girl too. My girl, she don't need me. Why you just don't believe me? Hey, watch her now, hey. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too. Hey, hey. The girl say she have a man, me have a girl too.